first day of spring is just 3 weeks away, which means you have to buy a whole new wardrobe, right? Wrong. There are some boomerang trends which have returned for a second and even a third season, which you probably already have in your wardrobe right now. In this installment of Skip Style Workshop, our fashion director, Alexis Chaffee, is here to give us the inside track on all the upcoming and returning fashion trends so we know what we can wear again this spring. Alexis, it's always good to have you here because I feel I'm going to be saving a whole lot of money when you're in the house.
Always good to be here.
So tell us, does this mean that I don't have to throw out what's currently in my wardrobe and, you know, that the style doesn't change every season?
Absolutely not. The industry has had to adapt to a global fashion consumer where there's actually overlapping seasons and overlapping trends all around the world. And often what we see is a knock-on effect where something that started as a streetwear trend maybe 2 seasons ago and we saw a lot of it online, then kind of grows into a major trend a year later. Wow. And of course you do get your staple recurring summer trends like the nautical theme or like white, which is why it's so important to look after your fashion. I mean, you don't want to just chuck something out after one season just because it's looking a little bit tatty. So really, you have to follow those wash care instructions on the label. I always say that. And you need to use a protective detergent, something like Skip Auto Liquid, and you're going to get years out of your clothes.
Awesome, that's fantastic. Now, I know you always talk about signature pieces, statement pieces, those investment pieces, things that you're not going to get rid of every season. And I value that kind of advice. So what kind of trends should we be looking out for when it comes to spring, summer?
Well, white.
Yes.
White on white, more white. Wow. If you're the girl that's been taking care of your whites with Skip and not mixing all those colors in the washing machine, then you're really going to be grinning from ear to ear because this season you can bring out that little white dress and it's going to look amazing all over again.
Wonderful stuff. Okay, so white is sorted. I've got that.
White is in. Black is back.
Of course.
For 2 seasons now we've been seeing black on summer runways. The only difference in the styling is that it's a little bit sleeker, it's a little bit more sporty this season, so you don't have to overdo it with the accessories. You can just keep it plain and chic. And of course, with the whole black and white theme, we have, of course, the stripes, massive trend that we saw at Cape Town Fashion Week, and they're back. This started as a very small trend last season, and now it's just grown and grown. So if you're the lady with the black and white stripe maxi dress or a top, again, you can wear it this season.
I love that. Okay, what about bold colors? Because you know I'm all about my colors, right?
Yes, yes. So on the colored front, we're seeing all the citrus shades. Yellow, orange, punch, definitely back. And this season, we last saw it in 2011, but hot pink has returned and it is really a really key trend this season.
I love that.
So if you have a shift dress or a top or a little jacket or even a summer coat for early spring, you can definitely proudly wear that color.
This makes me excited because there's so many awesome things to look forward to. And like you said, it's making a comeback. So a lot of us already have these colors in our wardrobe. We don't have to go and acquire a whole new set of clothing.
Absolutely. And on the fabrication side, of course, sheers. Now, we were wearing sheers last summer and we've been wearing sheers through winter as well. So, and they're back. Returning, it's not losing any momentum.
I love that.
So, but I think a lot of people are terrified of their sheer, delicate items in their wardrobe. And I'm sure there's somebody out there that hasn't washed something from last summer. So let me
it's manky already.
So let me tell you, washing it doesn't mean you're going to destroy it. You just, again, follow that little label on the inside of the garment. It's going to tell you what to do. Use a really beautiful detergent like Skip Auto Liquid, which is going to look after those fine fibers in the garment. Use a delicate cycle on the machine, switch to cool, and if you really want to protect it 100%, then you just put it inside a pillow slip and you wash it like that, and you're going to get 0 damage.
Oh, Alexis, thank you so much. You know, when I talk to you, I really do believe that all of us can keep our clothes for longer, and of course in a really, really good quality as well.
Absolutely, because that's how you get the longevity in your wardrobe, by looking after them. I know that there's women out there that are, you know, valued Skip users, and they're grinning from ear to ear because they're like, oh, you know, I don't need to buy anything else this season.
Oh, man. Thank you so much, Alexis. But we've got a fantastic competition, don't we? Well, Skip Auto Liquid is giving away an incredible Siemens washing machine valued at 6,000 Rand. All you have to do is SMS the keyword Siemens, your name and city to 33728, and you could be walking away with that fantastic awesome prize, which is a Siemens washing machine valued at 6,000 Rand. Worth playing for, as Jeff Probst always says.
Absolutely.
It's amazing stuff. Well, thank you so much, Alexis, for being with us. I'm going to take a whole lot better care of my clothes after this.
There are drops and there are super drops from Skip Concentrated Liquid that removes stains without damage. Skip Concentrated Liquid for complete stain removal without damage.